Hello, welcome to the next tutorial. Just to recap whatever we have learned earlier, we have learned about the HTML structure, and there are tags, HTML tags, and inside the HTML tag we'll have two sections, head and body, which are identified using the head and body tags. Similarly, there are certain tags that could be added inside the head section like title, horizontal, the header tags, etc., like from H1 till H6. And we also saw about p tag. Now we'll see about a tag, that is anchor tag. So what does this anchor tag do? So anchor tag basically is used to create links on the web pages. So what actually it creates? What is the link that it creates? Let me show you with an example. I'll give some value inside the tag now. So I'll just say I have given demo as the text inside the anchor tag. I'll go to my page, say refresh. You can see that the value is displayed here, but I don't see any difference. So it's the normal text that is displayed, though it has been written inside anchor tag. What is anchor is trying to render a link to the user or the URL to the user. So as soon as the browser sees the anchor tag, it takes the content of the element and displays it as a clickable link. So it takes the content of the element. So the content of the element is demo, and it is displaying it as a text only, not as a clickable link. So there is some attribute that we have to mention here. So I'm using a new word attribute. So every tag can be or can have certain attributes. So if we have to create some or use some attributes, we have to just use it in the open tags only, not in the end tag or closing tag. I'll just try to create a attribute here. So I'll say headshare, and I'll just give google.com. So what is this particular attribute is? This headshare actually creates a hyperlink to another web page. So the content of the element becomes clickable in the web page, and the href attribute tells the browser the destination of this particular link. So would you see in the page, let me save this and I'll go to the page to my browser and say fi, and just click refresh. Yeah, you see that it is the format of the text is changed. I mean the color and you see a small line beneath the text saying that it is a hyperlink, and you even notice the cursor is changing. So now the browser is rendering the content inside the tag. So what is the content here? This is demo is the content inside the tag, that is anchor tag, and it is rendering it as a clickable element based on this attribute. So when I say href is equal to google.com, so demo is made as a clickable element. If I click that, it will navigate to google.com. So you see, so if you see the address bar, you can notice that it is trying to open google.com. And probably if you have multiple HTML pages, you can link it here. Say for example, in case if you have a file here, C drive test.html, as soon as you click demo, it will open the test.html from the C drive. So maybe now you can just try to experiment with this anchor tag. Just give different URLs, different type of content here, and just try to do some experiment on this entire element, and I'll come back with the next session. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like my video.